Sandra, and I work for Fei Fei Lu's Traditional Chinese Medicine. We are going to be cooking 8 to 3 common cold and flu tea. Soak 30 minutes, cook for 30 minutes. Do not boil longer than 30 minutes and cook daily. Wear long sleeves and pajamas, and when you sweat, change to dry clothes. Place the bag of herbs into a stainless steel pot with 8 cups of water. If you have juju dates, cut them long ways. Set the timer for 30 minutes. It's done. Okay, the herbs have soaked for 30 minutes. I'm going to turn on the stove. And once it starts to boil, then I'll turn it on for 30 more minutes and set the timer. It started to boil, so turn down to a medium heat. Set the timer for 30 minutes. And you wait. Okay, pour it in. Come up with 3.5 cups, but that's okay. A little extra. Also, avoid seafood, spicy foods, and alcohol. Eat congee after drinking the tea. The reason why it helps your digestive system. The congee is easier to digest and makes the tea work faster into your immune system. So it's important that the two go together.